Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a super cool topic that shows how technology can be a real hero when things go wrong. We're talking about artificial intelligence, AI, and how it steps in to help when disasters strike. Imagine AI as a superhero coming to the rescue to help communities get back on their feet after a disaster. It's happening right now, and it's awesome, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First, let's get what AI is. Think of it as a super smart computer that can think and learn, almost like magic. Now picture this, a disaster like a hurricane, earthquake, or wildfire hits, and things get really bad. Homes are wrecked, people need help, and everything is a mess. This is when AI swoops in to save the day. AI can look at tons of data like pictures from space, weather reports, and emergency calls super quick. It helps emergency teams and groups that help during disasters decide where to send help first. It's like having a super assistant that guides them to the most important places. AI doesn't just help when bad stuff already happened, it can predict disasters too. Imagine if we knew when a hurricane or flood was coming. AI checks old data and weather patterns to make guesses. This helps communities get ready early, move to safety if needed, and lessen the damage. It's like having a friendly guardian angel looking out for us. When disasters hit, people can get stuck or disappear. AI becomes a real-life hero in these moments. It helps search and rescue teams find missing people by looking at info from drones, cameras, and sensors. AI can spot people who need help, even in the dark or under broken buildings. It's like having a guardian angel with a flashlight, helping rescuers find those in trouble. After a disaster, rebuilding is tough. AI helps here too. It can make detailed maps of damaged areas to show which buildings are safe and which need fixing. This helps builders and construction teams work faster, saving time and money. It's like having a super architect that draws plans super fast. Groups like the Red Cross rush to disaster areas to give food, shelter, and medical care. AI helps them do their job better. It looks at info on the ground, like how many people need help and where they are. This makes sure aid gets to the right places. It's like having a super organizer that makes sure everyone gets what they need. As AI gets even better, it'll play a bigger part in disaster recovery. Imagine robots powered by AI that can clear debris or bring supplies to tough spots. Think about AI-run communications systems that work even when regular ones fail, so people can stay in touch during disasters. So how can you be part of this awesome adventure? You don't need to be a scientist or engineer. You can support groups that create AI solutions for disasters. You can also tell people how AI can help. The more folks who know, the better. We're living in a time where tech makes our world safer, and AI is a big part of it. It's like having a superhero always ready to help. AI in disaster recovery isn't just a dream, it's real, and it's making things better. It helps us predict disasters, find missing people, and rebuild our communities quicker and smarter. As time goes on, AI will be an even bigger help in keeping us safe and helping us out when we need it most. So let's cheer for AI in disaster recovery and work together to make our world stronger and safer. The future is bright, and with AI as our partner, we can face any challenge that comes our way. I hope this trip into the world of AI and disaster recovery got you as excited as it got me. Remember, together we can make our communities tougher and more ready for anything.